Understanding to the point where the information becomes simple knowledge. Remember, you can know without understanding, but you can't understand without knowing. Understanding through internalizing what is said or done, so you know what to say or do. In other words, taking in all the words or actions so yourself can tell you how to respond. The top salespeople use their own thought process, while most salespeople repeat what they're taught to think.